In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to open your CRA account or even log in on your CRA account. So basically, first you need to go to canada.ca for you to be able to access this page. So after that, just scroll down until you see the sign in to your CRA account. So basically, you have three options, which is sign in partner, and CRA user ID and password, as well as provincial partner, BC or AB. So basically, if you click the sign in partner, you will redirect to this page wherein you need to select a sign in partner for you to be able to access your CRA account. So there are much options right here. So after that, let's go back to the page. So the second option is the CRA user ID and password. So when you click that one, you will redirect to this page wherein you will be needing to input your user ID as well as your password when you register your CRA on your account. So after that, you just click sign in for you to be able to access your CRA. So after that, the last option, which is the provincial partner, once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, which is you have two options right here. So you just have to pick one based on your registration. So basically it says this service is only for Alberta and British Columbia at this time. So basically if you're from different country group, cannot basically do this method on the provincial partner. So you just have two options right here. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.